Jiangsu Starlight Electricity Equipment Company Limited, which was founded in 1974, has always been dedicated to the research, development, and production of generating equipment. After nearly 40 years development, it has been developed into the leading generating equipment enterprise in China and the largest OEM manufacturer of Cummins in China. Located in Guxi Industrial Park in Taizhou, the company has a total floor area of 86,000 square meters, net asset $80 million, more than 80 professional technicians, 18 senior technicians, and an annual output of more than 12,000 sets of generating units of Shuangtong brand. And its products are sold at home and exported abroad. In 2013, the group completed a gross industrial output value of current price of $130 million, achieved a sales income of $120 million, tax $20 million, and 15% continuous growth of profit of production and sales. Starlight Power is leading the future of power of generating equipment.